Imagine this. You're suddenly rich. Maybe it's from an unexpected inheritance, a lottery win, or even an incredible business exit. Now, with all that cash comes the ultimate question. What do you do next? Surprisingly, around 70% of people who come into sudden wealth lose it within a few years. So, if you find yourself in this position, you'll need to navigate carefully. In this video, we'll go over 12 essential tips to help you keep, grow, and truly benefit from your newfound fortune, because this moment can be life-changing if managed right. First things first, don't go shouting your new status from the rooftops. It's tempting, but privacy is key here. If you start telling everyone, you could easily attract unwanted attention, requests, and even scams. Instead, take some time to let the news sink in and think about how this wealth will impact your life. The second move is to clear any debts weighing you down. Debt is a financial and psychological burden, so paying it off with a portion of your new wealth can give you the mental clarity you'll need for future decisions. But don't create new debt just because you think you're set for life. Treat this money with respect. Quitting your job might be the first thought that crosses your mind, but pause here. Without structure, you might feel lost or tempted to spend just to fill your time. Staying productive, even with work, keeps you grounded. Knowing you could walk away anytime if you really wanted to actually puts you in control. Once the money is in your account, leave it alone for a few months. Take 6 months or even a year to think things over. Having time to adapt emotionally and financially is crucial, and as you settle, your goals will become clearer. Knowledge is your best ally. Many people who come into wealth lose it because they don't understand how to grow or manage it. This is where financial literacy comes in. Read, take courses, or speak with a financial advisor you can trust. Understand how investments, taxes, and even inflation could affect your new net worth. Knowledge is power when managing wealth. Reading a few finance books can make a huge difference. Starting small builds confidence and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Check out the description for a list of influential books that wealthy individuals often recommend. If the person who left you the money had a trusted financial advisor, consider keeping them around. After all, they helped build the fortune you now have. Look for someone experienced and trustworthy who can help you build a long-term plan rather than push risky investments. One of the biggest traps of sudden wealth is overhauling your lifestyle. It's okay to pay off your home or get a nicer car, just avoid splurging in ways that increase your expenses long-term. Instead, set up a reasonable lifestyle upgrade that doesn't drain your funds. Friends and family might come out of the woodwork looking for financial help. It's tough to say no, but remember, lending to loved ones often strains relationships. Set clear boundaries and remember that preserving this wealth is about securing your future, not theirs. Starting a business sounds great in theory, but consider this. Nearly 90% of startups fail. You've already had a stroke of luck in receiving this wealth, so take your time before taking on any high-risk ventures. If entrepreneurship calls, start small or test the waters with a side venture first. Avoid putting your relationships or your wealth in jeopardy by simply keeping your financial dealings separate from personal relationships. Money changes people, and relationships too. Some people might treat you differently or even resent you. Expect that your inner circle might shift, and that others might act out of jealousy or entitlement. Prepare mentally for these changes, and remember that this wealth is a tool, not your identity. Money is only valuable if you're healthy enough to enjoy it. Use some of your resources to prioritize your health. Whether that's through better nutrition, regular checkups, or even a fitness plan, focusing on health now means you can enjoy your wealth for many years to come. Here's a practical financial rule to help you live off your wealth without depleting it. Only use around 5% of your assets annually. This way, your money can continue to grow through smart investments. Think of your wealth as a tree that bears fruit each year. Don't cut it down for firewood. Sudden wealth is like lightning, rare and often surprising. By taking a cautious, thoughtful approach, you're honoring the opportunity you've been given. Invest wisely, focus on personal growth, and set yourself up for a lifetime of financial security. Now that you're armed with these insights, you're ready to handle that hypothetical or very real windfall. If you know someone who could benefit from these tips, Feel free to share this video and drop a comment below if you have any experiences with sudden wealth. Remember, financial success isn't just about making money, it's about keeping and growing it. Until next time, stay savvy, stay mindful, and take care.